Hey there, it's Dan X Nguyen, and I'm here to help you navigate the legal side of your business as your trusted business attorney in California. Welcome back to Legal Tips for Smart Entrepreneurs, where we make legal matters straightforward and accessible for you and your business. Today, we're diving into a topic that every franchisor and franchisee in California needs to understand: franchise maintenance costs. Whether you're already in the franchising game or just thinking about it, knowing what to expect in terms of ongoing costs can save you from unexpected surprises down the road.
This video is brought to you by Agent CRM, the ultimate all-in-one software designed for agents and their teams. If you're looking to supercharge your business, Agent CRM has got you covered. From AI-powered schedule bot that helps you fill your calendar effortlessly to comprehensive marketing tools like unlimited funnels, email marketing, and ringless voicemail. Agent CRM is packed with features to streamline operations. With Agent CRM, you get access to powerful automated workflows, preloaded marketing campaigns, and world-class support. Plus, you can start with a free 14-day trial, no sign-up fee, and zero cost to get started. Join over 10,000 satisfied users who have transformed their business with Agent CRM. Head over to the link below or scan the QR code to start your free trial today and take your business to the next level.
Franchise maintenance costs can make or break factor for your business. When you sign a franchise agreement, you're not just buying into a brand. You're also committing to ongoing expenses that keep your franchise running very smoothly. So let's break it down what you need to know. First off, there's royalties. These are typically a percentage of your gross revenue or gross sales paid to the franchisor on a regular basis, often monthly. In California, this percentage can range widely depending on the franchise, from as low as 4% to as high as 12% or more. This is a major part of your ongoing costs, so be sure to budget accordingly. Second is marketing fees. Most franchises require you to contribute a national or regional advertising fund. This fee is usually a percentage of your sales, much like royalties. On average, expect to pay around 2 to 4% of your gross sales. These fees help maintain brand visibility, but they're an additional cost to you that you need to plan for. Third up is renewal fees. Franchise agreements typically last anywhere from 5 to 20 years. At the end of your term, you want to renew your franchise, then you may have to pay a renewal fee. This can be a flat fee or percentage of your original franchise fee. So it's very crucial to understand these costs up front so you're not caught off guard when renewal time comes around. Fourth is operational costs. Operational costs can include everything from leasing your property to payroll, insurance, and utilities. While these fees aren't paid directly to the franchisor, they're essential for maintaining your franchise. California has some of the highest operational costs in the country, so it's vital to have a clear understanding of these expenses when planning your franchise's budget. The fifth is compliance costs. In California, there are strict regulations around franchising, and staying compliant can come with its own set of costs. This might include legal fees, audits, and updates to your operations manual to ensure that it aligns with state laws. Failure to comply with these can result in fines or even termination of your franchise agreement. So this is one area that you don't want to skimp on. 6 is technology fees. Many franchises require franchisees to use specific technology systems for point of sale, inventory, management, or customer relationship management. These systems often come with subscription fees or maintenance costs, which can add up over time. Franchise maintenance costs in California can be significant, but with proper planning and a clear understanding of these expenses, you can ensure your franchise stays on the path to success. Now remember, knowledge is power when it comes to franchising. Thanks for tuning in to Legal Tips for Smart Entrepreneurs. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave your questions and comments below, I'm always here to help you navigate the legal landscape with ease. Until next time, stay informed and stay empowered.